근데 저거 이쁘다.
Actually,
와, the Tower Bridge.
did you see the opening up?
No. He's opening right now. Yeah.
What the heck?
He's
We are
opening right
so
now.
lucky.
Wow, he's opening right now.
Wow, we're so lucky.
We're so lucky.
It was 8:30.
Yeah, that was a skip before. But there's no boat. Oh, maybe that boat. Wow.
That's all I think.
Really? Oh, yeah, maybe it seems like, yeah.
It's not something I expected.
But we're so lucky. I waited over there for a few minutes, but it wasn't happen before. But 저 배 떠먹는가? Maybe because of that boat, that cruise. Maybe it doesn't look like that much big.
I think that's also for to see the opening. I think.
Really? Huh? And then why they open that?
I'm not sure.
Hmm.
Actually, the similar thing happened in Barcelona to me.
Ah, really?
I didn't know, but they were like
Suddenly it happened?
beep, go, like you can cross the bridge in 5 minutes. Beep. I was like,
Wow.
so I ran, and suddenly they opened it.
Wow. But you were so lucky, I think.
Yes.
Oh, probably long.
But I was scared, like zombie apocalypse.
Oh, it sounds like. Yeah, it sounds like that.
Pretty, actually pretty. 예쁘다.
저게 불이 흰색이라 너무 예쁜 것 같아. Oh, that light is white. That's why it's a little bit like
And
really
actually,
pretty.
You crossed the bridge, right?
Yes,
The
yes,
bridge
yes.
is so well managed, so well maintained, so clean.
Yeah. Oh, yes, right. True. Aww. So good. And there, the London Tower. No, Tower of London. Oh, 너무 beautiful. Central London. 그런 이 다리가 많아가지고 there's a lot of bridges on this view. So, oh wait, where is the Millennium Bridge? Maybe over there. That one is the Millennium Bridge. 저거 해리포터에 나온 bridge. From Harry Potter. 오, 여기 이쁘다 지금. Northern, right? Or the Northern Line? I don't know. Oh, there's like London Tower line. Tower Bridge is so beautiful. I'm a Korean.